What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a car in here at Rob's Custom, something different for the channel. We got a Cadillac Deville 4-door. We're gonna be doing some air suspension on it, putting some airbags on it. So this is a little different from the sunroofs. Hope you guys like the video. We're waiting for the tow truck to come and drop it off. I'll get some video of it when we're dropping it off, and then we'll go over the car on what we're going to be doing, the setup we're going to be doing, go from there. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, Caddy's here. It does have some damage to the fender. Alright guys, we ran into some issues already with the Caddy. It's been previously hit here on the fender. They just recently hit it. It messed up the whole alignment on this side. You can see here, you got some tie rods. You got the actual A-arm down there bent. You can see it right there. The whole thing is bent. So it cocked out the tire to one side. If you look at the other side, tire's straight. So we're not going to be able to start on this Caddy. We're going to have the owner come pick it up on the tow truck, back on the tow truck, and get it fixed. Because either way, if I put the air ride suspension on, you won't be able to drive it. So pretty much there's no really reason why I should put it on until it's fixed. That way when I do get it installed, I can take it for a test drive, make sure everything is good. So we're gonna pause on this. We're gonna pause on the Caddy, and this truck is done. I know I haven't posted much, but what we did on this is we did the HD hood, the cutouts, body work. We did a sunroof on it. We did the shaved gas tank and the bed rails, shaved that. We also did the shaved tailgate and relocated on the inside. I have some parts from him that we removed that were damaged, but I know I didn't post nothing on this truck. I did have this truck for a while. It is complete. That we'll be picking it up on the weekend. So this is going to be gone. Caddy's going to be taken off back to the shop to get that alignment fixed. So stay tuned for this video on this Tahoe. We're going to get it prepped up for paint. We're going to be painting just the outside. It does got body work that needs to be addressed, but this one's been sitting here for a little bit too. I'm just going down the line on the list, the waiting list. So stay tuned for this one. We'll be working on this one next. Just a little update on the airbags for the Caddy. They are going to take that one back, and they are coming for the truck Saturday back to Hobbs. We did a sunroof with suede inside. Alright guys, just a little update on the projects coming. Like I said, this one's going to be next. It's got damaged. It's got some dents here. It does have the waviness on the barn doors, you could call them. Body work down at the bottom. Other than that, it's pretty clean. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy on the body work. Small touch-ups. We will be removing the rack on top and start prepping this for primer. Alright guys.